Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a basic 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the YZ plane, take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of diameter 100, press enter, okay, zoom out. Now finish sketch and here we are going to take extrude. This will be a 75 mm extrude and this will be symmetric. Okay, so half profile will be this side and half profile will be this side. Now press OK. Now go to part 3. I have constructed this part. Now I want a circle at 90 degree. Okay, so this profile will be horizontal and this will be vertical. Go to part 9. Now go to plane and here I am going to take a offset from plane. Go to origin and we will select the mid plane, the exit plane. Here as the arrow is going upward, so I'll take a minus dimension, give minus 150 mm. Okay, now press enter. Select this new plane, go to create sketch, rotate the view and here take the circle command, make here a circle of diameter 60, go to dimension. Here we'll select the center point and select center point of circle. Now here we'll define the dimension as 180 mm. Okay, go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center point. Now go to 3D model, take extrude. Here we are going to take extrude of 60 mm. This will be a single direction extrude and press OK. Okay. Now we are going to make the joining profiles between these two circles. So for that we are going to select the YZ plane, go to create sketch. Here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch again, take the line command and make here a center line. Okay, now escape. Now here zoom in, go to line. From this outer of the circle we are going to make a straight line and make one line here. Now escape, go to dimension. The height of this line from this end will be 50 mm. Escape, select the center line, make it a construction geometry. Okay, now here go to fillet, take fillet here. The radius of fillet will be 45 mm. Select this horizontal line and select this vertical line. Exit. Now go to offset command. Select all the three profiles, select these three. Press enter and here drag this cursor inside and give a dimension of 15 mm. Now escape. Okay. Now go to line and make a close profile from both the ends and here also. Okay. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude. Select this profile. Here take symmetric and the extrude will be of 30 mm. Now press OK. Okay. Now similarly go to part 3. We have constructed this profile. Now similarly we are going to construct this profile here, bottom profile. Go to part 9 again. Here select the YZ plane, go to create sketch. Take the line command. Again we are going to construct a center line over here. Okay. Escape. Select this line, make it a construction geometry. Go to line. From this outer of the circle till this bottom and till this center point. So this will be one line. Now escape. Now here go to the fillet command and this time the fillet radius will be of 85 mm. Select this vertical line and select this horizontal. Escape. Now take the offset command, select this line, select this arc and select this line. Okay. Drag the cursor inside, press enter and here we are going to take offset of 15 mm. Escape. Take the line command and make joining profile here and one joining profile here. Finish sketch. take extrude, select this profile, and here take symmetric. Dimension here will be of 75 mm. Okay, now press OK. Now go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Here you can see we have two profiles. One profile will be this and one profile will be this. Okay, now this middle portion is empty, so we'll fill this portion. So go to YZ plane again, go to create sketch. This time go to project geometry and project these profiles. Okay, this profile, this, this and this. Now here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, now we just want to make the joining profiles. So here go to sketch, take the line command, make one joining profile here and make one joining profile here. Escape. Okay, or you can consider this, go to line, make one joining profile here. Escape, select this line, delete. So this will be a closed profile. Go to 3D model, take extrude. This profile will be selected, take symmetric, and this extrude will be of dimension 20 mm. Okay, this will also be joining profile. Press OK. Go to visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay, now here you can see all profiles have been joined. Okay, now I want a closing profile here as well. Select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, and here select center point of this circle and select this edge. Okay, go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, go to home, rotate the profile, and here we are going to take join, and the distance here will be 2, and select this face. So till this face, this extrude will be done. Now press OK. So this will be a closing profile for this. Okay, now here as we have completed the half of the profile, now we are going to make the cut profiles. Okay, so go to part 3. Here we have a cut profile, so we are going to construct this first. Go to part 9, and here we'll select the YZ plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, go to sketch again, take line command, and here from this top end make a straight line and make a rough sketch first. Okay, this here till here and this last. Go to dimension, define this height as 5, here also of 5 mm. Okay, so the diameter here, so this will be half, so this will be 20 mm, complete will be 40 dia. Okay, and this bottom will be of 25 and the middle will be of 15 mm. Okay, now go to 3D model, take here revolve, select this axis for rotation, and here we will take cut. Now press OK. Go to visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay, so here you can see a cut profile. A through cut has been made. Okay, now the next profile, go to part 3. So this will be the next profile, this top profile. Go to part 9 again. Go to 3D model, click on home, go to the XY plane, go to create sketch, and here take the line command, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, make one line here, one like this, and this close. Okay, now go to sketch again, go to dimension. Here we will define the dimensions from this top end. Okay, we'll project this first. Go to project geometry, project this face, go to dimension. From this top, this will be a depth of 10 mm. Okay, and height of this from the base, from this base This will be of 210 mm. Okay. Now here go to vertical constraint. Select the center point of this line and select center point of this line. Similarly, select center point of this line once again and select this center point. Okay. So they are vertically aligned to the middle. Okay. Now here go to dimension. Define the angle here as 10 degree. Okay. And go to line, make a center line, escape, select this center line, make it a construction geometry. Now here when I drag this is still not constrained. To make it constrained, take the arc command, select this top end and select this end. Make one arc here, go to dimension, define the radius here. So the radius here will be of 22 mm. Okay, now this is defined. Now finish sketch, select this line, make it a construction geometry. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude, here take symmetric extrude and the extrude here will be of 55 mm. Okay, now press OK. Now here select the center, go to create sketch, take the circle command and here select the center point. Make a circle here of diameter 25, go to 3D model, take extrude and here take direction 2. So this will be a cut profile now. Drag this cursor and press OK. So this will be a through cut. Okay. Now go to view, go to visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of dia 70. Go to 3D model, take extrude, flip the direction. So this will also be a through cut. Press OK. Select this face again, go to create sketch. Now take the rectangle command and take 2-point center rectangle. Select this edge and make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension. The width here will be of 5 mm and the height will be of 100 mm. Okay. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select the center point. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, take head direction 2. So this will be a cut profile. Now press OK. Select this bottom plane, right click, turn off the visibility. So this will be the profile. Now here, from here, we are going to take the appearance. So I have taken here semi polished, enter. So this will be the profile. Go to 3D model. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.